Hi, I'm Diego. I am a structural engineer. I am gay and I work for WSP. Going to university was an interesting experience because I think I had to go back to the closet. It was a new city, I had to make new friends, and I wasn't confident enough to be myself. Even though I had already come out to my friends and some of my relatives, I had to go back into the closet when I got to university. But being there, a couple of years into it, I thought there was no point in really hiding who I was. So I started to get more confident, and I finally came out to my parents. And once you come out to the people you care the most about, then just everything else becomes really easy. I think I've been quite lucky in my life because I've never experienced any kind of discrimination or abuse. However, coming out is something that we have to do on a daily basis, and in the engineering world it's always a bit daunting. When do you do it? How do you do it? I remember as a good experience when I joined WSP, the first time I went to a pub on a Friday and I was talking to my colleagues, and they asked the usual questions, where do you live, who do you live with? And the answer is, well, I live with my boyfriend. And I was expecting for their reactions or anything in their expression, and it was just blank, as in it meant absolutely nothing. And I felt really, really pleased that I could just talk about and be myself completely confidently, and no one even really cared about it. I think the most difficult thing I found is trying to find a balance between being openly gay and banter. When do you draw the line? How much banter is it really fun, and when does it become offensive? Always be yourself, because I believe that you can only be your best if you are yourself. But also it's important to be ourselves and be out there and inspiring others to be themselves. Be out there, expose yourself, come out, don't be afraid. I would absolutely recommend engineering. Engineering is such a rewarding degree, it's a rewarding career. The built environment is just physical evidence of your achievements, and you can just walk outside and find one of the buildings you designed or one of the projects you were involved in and be really proud about what you do. Being Peruvian, South American, I grew up in a very conservative environment. And I was always a bit scared of what my parents would say, what my grandparents would say, and what my peers would say. But I was actually very happily surprised. Everyone was very accepting, and I think in the end, conservative or not, it is love what actually matters in the end. Moving to the UK was an amazing experience, and it's been an amazing experience for the last 7 years. Living in London, which is such a diverse city, has opened my mind, my eyes a lot more. And I'm exposed here to a lot more different cultures than I was before, and I think it's been fantastic.